In this video, we will see how digital progressive lenses are made. You must have often heard the term digital progressives or free-form progressive lenses. We have covered the difference between digital progressives and conventional progressive in previous videos. In this video, we will see how digital progressive lenses are made. The first step is to obtain the patient's prescription and measurements such as pupillary distance, height and angle of wear. This information is used to design a custom progressive lens that fits the patient's needs and visual requirements. Lens design. Using specialized software and algorithms, the lens design is created based on the patient's prescription and measurements. The software takes into account the patient's visual needs, the frame dimensions, and other factors to optimize the lens design. Surface generation. A precise and accurate lens surface is generated using computer-controlled diamond tools, which can create the complex curves and shapes required for the progressive lens design. Surface polishing. After the surface is generated, it is polished to ensure a smooth and clear surface. The polishing process removes any surface imperfections and creates a lens surface that is free of distortions. Lens coating. Digital progressive lenses can also be coated with various types of coatings to improve their durability, scratch resistance and anti-reflective properties. Quality control. Finally, the lenses are subjected to rigorous quality control checks to ensure that they meet the required standards and specifications. Overall, the digital manufacturing process for progressive lenses is highly precise and personalized, resulting in lenses that provide a more comfortable and natural visual experience. Thank you for watching.